Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar. Now, before we start the analysis, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like, and share, okay? Below the video, you will find some links. You can join free Telegram. And I have launched a new program just today. And the first link below it will be saying join Forex mentorship program. So if you click on the first link below, then you can come to this page here. And I still have to upload a video at the top here, which I will do maybe in next 10 days or so because I'm waiting for some trades to play out. Okay. So this is a new page I have created. The video will be here in next maybe 2 weeks. Okay. Because I'm waiting for some swing trades to play out. And I'm going to record those trades and then I'm going to upload that as a proof. So far only theory. But I have launched this positional Forex trading mentorship program. It's a 90 days program and then it can be renewed later on. So in 90 days, what you will learn, you will learn a lot of things. So I will not bore you in this video. You can go and check out everything on this page, the first link below. Okay, who is this for? I'll just give you an idea. This is not for newbies. This is only for people who are serious about their trading. Okay, so if you want trades every day, this is not for you. If you want trades every hour, this is not for you. This is only for positional traders, okay? We are talking about holding your trades for a month or maybe more. And in one trade, we're talking about getting 300 plus pips. Do you understand? So if you get 2 trades in a month, you make 500 pips. That's good enough, okay? So if you are just some kind of trader who don't have patience, this is not for you anyone, okay? So if you are thinking like a positional trader, like institution, so that you can invest your money, set your profit, set your loss, TP and SL, and then just walk away, go and do your job, whatever you are doing in your life, okay? So if you think like the institution, you want to think like institutional or as a positional trader, then this program is for you, where you can talk to me every week on audio calls, and you can chat with me on this Microsoft Teams. You can chat me anytime and you can get real-time support. Anyways, go and find out more details. This is not for everybody. It's only for people who got patience and they have long-term vision, okay? Now, coming back to this Euro USD analysis, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we broke this low, so we should go down. This is a pullback, I guess. Daily, we are still below the EMA. 4 hour, we are on the EMA. This candle just closed below. So the price is right here consolidating, I guess. So in the Euro USD, I'm looking for shorts. I'm not gonna tell you for charity that when to enter, when to exit. I have done that quite a lot in last maybe 6-8 months, but people had been thankless, okay? I tell them, here to enter, here to exit, but these people are, thankless, too smart, over smart. So good luck to you now. So I'm not gonna, help you with any trading here, that where to exit, when to exit, but yes, the direction is down, okay? And as I said, I am done with those newbies or short-tempered people who wants trading to work as per them. No, you're nothing, okay? Trading or the market don't need to work or move as per you. You just got to steady your ship, man, and wait for the storm to calm down. The tsunami will not calm down when your ship is passing, okay? So your ship needs to back off and let the tsunami pass. That's how trading works, okay? So if you are not matured from your mind, then maybe if you have the money to invest on yourself, then get into this program and learn how to have patience, okay? For example, I could wind up this video in just 1 minute, but I'm still talking for 5 minutes now. Do you understand what patience takes? Yeah. So again, if you just want to watch videos for free on YouTube, you will get many. But if you're still not making money, or you are facing that problem in which you see the moves happening once you exit the trade, then at least go and join this program and help your mental stability. Because if you are not mentally ready to wait, or you don't know how to maintain your discipline, when to exit, when to enter, guys, you will not be able to make this work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and join the program.